You searched how to buy shares of Thor Medical ASA. Thor Medical ASA is a medical technology company listed on Euronext with the ticker TRMED.OL. This video is educational and not financial advice. To buy the stock, you need a brokerage account. I use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you will need to verify your account, which usually requires an identity document, and you must add funds before buying. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker TRMED.OL to find the listing. Confirm you locate the correct Thor Medical ASA stock in the search results. Open the stock page to review basic company information and a price chart. Check the company name and the TRMED.OL ticker to confirm this is the right asset. Click the Invest or Buy button, enter the amount you want to invest, then carefully review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may execute when trading reopens, and if your funds are insufficient, the platform will ask you to add money before it confirms the purchase. Once executed, your position will appear in your portfolio. For convenience, the eToro link is in the video description if you want to follow the same demo.